Hello, okay. So the last video I tried to record didn't record, so I'll be very fast with this video. All right, so this is Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. So if we check, we see that since 2023, market has been up. Immediately we broke this trend. We see inverted head and shoulder. This is exactly what we saw here. I will draw it for you. Market has been going up, okay? This is inverted head, left shoulder, okay? Market did this, retested, and started going up. So that's what we saw from 2023. Market came up to this place. I hope you see what I just drew. This is a pattern you can go and look for on lower time frames and use it to trade. Okay, Bitcoin respect head and shoulder and inverted head and shoulders. Okay, so this is inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. Market break it, retested the resistance and started going up. So right here, okay, we can see beautiful resistance. Why we use zone is for us to see how this one is on top and this one is below. You can use a zone to cover both of them. So I love my this thing to be faint. So let me change this blade to this, okay? Beautiful. You can see that market has been going up. Then in April, we had this bearish engulfing candle where people were saying, okay, since this have happened, market is going to drop to zero. Okay. So I think people that use Fibonacci should know that this market have hit -20, but that's not what we are looking about here. Well, what we are talking about, you can see how market after the bearish engulfing candle, market tried to drop at this place and do what and moved up. Then I think market targeted this week. One thing I have noticed about Bitcoin is that any defined week, market always target it. Okay, market targeted this week. As market came to peak it in this July, you can see the lowest low we had before now was in May. In May, yes, market dropped to 56,300. Then market tried to do nyama nyama, no direction in June. Then in this July, market dropped, break all the whatever. But you can see at the end of the day, we are still above the resistance. So this is not a resistance again, we call it support because market have broken it. Even when we want to come down, market respected it, respected it, respected it. It's respecting it the third time, even though it broke it. But we see that well when we go to lower time frame. Then this is a weekly time frame. Okay, if you check to see resistance, resistance, then here is support. Okay, market actually acted as a support here. So right here we can see a beautiful head and shoulder. Market made higher high, shoulder, left shoulder, head, okay, do all these things. If to say, you see as I'm showing you a strategy, if to say, let's say this is a, let's say we are on lower time frame, this is a beautiful trade. Once you see a head and shoulder like this, and you see that beautiful engulfing, bearish engulfing candle, that's a trade for you. You just pick your trade from here, but you know you don't take a trade on weekly. Okay, you just pick the trade, target 1:2, 1:2.5. Boom, this trade provided 1:2, but you know we don't take trades on weekly. Okay, so that is that, right? So market did that. So I think the reason why most of the people are saying that market is going to 38K is because they are using Fibonacci to predict this. Okay. So if you look, market always reverse at -61.8. Let's just mark it 1. I have all these things before, and I just deleted it. To redo this video, I'm gonna sleep there my eye. So this negative 27, we can see that we have this support and resistance on it. Okay, I will show you. This is a support, this is a resistance. We have used our zone to mark them. All right. Then another reason, a negative 61.8, we can see we have a lot of support, resistance, support, resistance. So this is possible places we are expecting or they are expecting, because I'm not part of those that are looking for Bitcoin to come down to 30K or whatsoever. And as we all know, most people that use Fibonacci, once Fibonacci touches here, they call this place a golden pocket, a golden whatever. Okay, I use Fibonacci, but I look at price action. So this candle that is coming with momentum, I can't short. So they will just short their trade, put their stop loss up here above 78.6, and then market will fly down to negative 61.8. But we're not here to talk about Fibonacci. I just threw in something I think that made them to be saying the market is coming to. Then other people that use other block now, you wait for market to touch here and start going down. But in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm thinking. Then on daily time frame, I'm seeing something that looks like a trend. I saw two things. Number one, I have my bullish divergence. You can see market is coming down, but RSI is going up. Divergence means two things doing two opposite something. All right, then I'm seeing inverted head and shoulder. One left shoulder, right? Then what I'll be waiting for now is for market to come down and test and create the right shoulder. Okay, so the right shoulder, I will mark this. If you remember when I started this video, market tested here and move up. So I'm going to label this with a dark blue so that I will know that it's my area of interest, my support, my whatever. So once market come there, I'm going to take a trade. So I'm looking at trend line also. This market is in trend on this daily time frame. You can see lower low, lower high, lower low. So when we talk of downtrend, we are talking about aggregates of lower lows and lower highs. So you can see this trend line and market beautifully breaks it. So what I will now be looking out for is for market to retest this trend line. And like I said before, Bitcoin respects week. This week here, don't be surprised that market will come down to test it. So I'm going to mark it. And it's a trend line also. So we're going to name it, that's 58,500. 58,500. Okay. Then I'm going to label it. Going to label it 58,500. All these places are where I will look out for to buy Bitcoin. So I copied the text I wrote before. So with all these things I have shown you on daily, wow, I have the high. Why did I copy this? Okay, it's fine. So confluences to go long. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Confluences to go long. Number one, daily bullish divergence on D1. Bullish divergence on daily time frame. That is D1. Number two, inverted head and shoulder. Three, trend line breakouts. You know, I have recorded this video before. Then potential, the things we are now expecting. you don't expect in the market. Potentials. What we want to look out for number four confluences, retest of the broken trend line. Then bullish engulfing at my area of interest or support area. The support area I'm talking about is here. This place I marked. So I wait for market to come and test it or retest the trend line, whichever one that happens. So I will now expect this market on lower time frame to start forming a counter trend. Something like this. Okay, so whichever it happens is your business. Okay, so bullish engulfing or morning star candlestick pattern. So that is that. Okay, so this is what I will be looking out for. If you go to 4 hour, you see that this market is actually on trend. You can see the trend clearly. Okay, there's the trend over there. So here, there are a lot of trades that happened here. You can see market beautifully. Market have beautifully touched this. All right. So here was the sell confirmation of the other listing. Maybe when market retest this trend line, we begin to sell again. Then people will think that market is going to 30,000. Market will now come and retest. But whatever, market might still go to what is it called? Market might still go to 30,000. Okay, but let's see. I'm bullish. I'm waiting for this market now to do something like this for me. Regardless, I'll be waiting for something more than gold. I hope that makes sense to you. So I'll be waiting for market to retrace this way, and then we move up. Let me delete that Fibonacci. Maybe markets come down and retest the trend line, whatever I want to retest, and then start moving up. If market starts retracing, I now pull my fib. Okay, boom, done. So that's what I'm expecting in this market. Thank you and good night. Bye. Hope this one recorded. It's recorded.